For the last few years, AI has felt like something that lives somewhere else. You type a prompt, it travels to a data center, gets processed, and comes back with an answer. Powerful? Yes, but completely dependent on the internet. That dependency is starting to disappear. Your next laptop won't need the internet for many AI tasks, and the reason isn't speed alone. It's a shift in how intelligence is built into computers. Until recently, running AI locally didn't make sense. Models were too large, chips weren't designed for it, and laptops couldn't handle the power draw. Sending everything to the cloud was easier, but that balance has changed. Modern laptops now include dedicated hardware designed specifically for AI workloads, not CPUs, not GPUs. Separate engines built to handle inference efficiently, quietly, and constantly. This means your laptop can recognize speech, enhance images, summarize documents, and manage background tasks without asking a server for help. Why does this matter? First, speed. When AI runs locally, there's no round trip to the cloud, no waiting for a response. The system reacts instantly. That makes features feel natural instead of delayed. Second, privacy. If your data never leaves the device, there's nothing to upload, store, or protect on someone else's server. Your files stay local. Your voice stays local. Your usage patterns stay local. That's a big deal. Third, reliability. Cloud-based AI breaks when the internet is slow, unstable, or unavailable. On-device AI doesn't care. It works on a plane. It works offline. It works when networks fail. This changes how laptops are used. AI stops being an app you open and becomes a layer that quietly supports everything you do. Your system adapts. It predicts. It optimizes without asking. And this isn't about replacing cloud AI. Large, complex tasks will still rely on powerful data centers, but everyday intelligence, the kind that improves productivity and experience, is moving closer to you. There's also a cost reason behind this shift. Running AI in the cloud is expensive. Every request costs compute, power, and infrastructure. For companies, pushing AI workloads to devices reduces long-term costs. For users, it means faster features without subscriptions or constant connectivity. So when companies talk about AI laptops, they're not selling a buzzword. They're preparing for a future where intelligence is built into the machine itself, not borrowed from the internet. The result? Your laptop becomes less like a terminal and more like a system that understands context. Not smarter in a dramatic way, but smarter in small constant ways you notice every day. And once that happens, going back to cloud-only AI will feel slow.